Kruz, what are you going to do?
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna take more out of this cherry.
Take more out of this truck? Whose truck is this? Point to show Mama, tell her whose it is. Tell her. Your truck ain't it? You can have it. Daddy'll keep it for you. Look, that's the old motor. Can you see it in there? Look.
No. I didn't see it.
That's the old motor. Say it's blown up, it's tired. It's an old motor.
It's
Come on.
blown up.
What we're going to use is called a cherry picker. Look right here. Get this right here out. Come here, I'll show you. Take this out. Just turn this way. Okay? And then jack it. Come on. Jack it all the way down, all the way down, just like that. What you think? Gonna keep going all the way up. You can do it fast you want to. No, we gotta get way on up real high. Come on.
Hey, whoa!
I got it, I got it. Hold right there. Watch your feet. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to, you gotta ease this down. I'm gonna pick you up. I'm gonna let you hook this for Daddy, okay?
How do you hook it?
Huh?
How do you hook it?
I'm gonna pick you up right quick.
No.
You can't do it? Stand up right there. Stand up right there and watch. You got it? Stand right there. Alright, then you're gonna hook this. It's right here.
And hook it right
Hook.
there in the middle.
Okay, I'm gonna let you get down. And you're gonna start jacking again.
Okay.
I got your flip flops, I got it.
You see that?
Yeah, it's a washer.
And you see that dookie?
I don't know what that is.
That is dookie.
That's doo-doo?
Uh-huh.
No, it's not. It's dirt. Come on.
When you wet it and
Right here.
it'll
Jack it up. The motor start coming up.
motor's heavy though.
Motor's heavy.
It's little.
I George, you're doing it. It did help you a little bit. Hold right there. Just a little bit more. Hold on just a second.
What's wrong?
I'm just checking. Watch out, I'm gonna jerk it one time. There we go. That's all we need to do. Right, these look right here. See what we got there. So we need to go a little bit higher. There we go. She's loose. She's loose and she's a leaking. Alright, let me undo all these wires in the back and I'm gonna let you finish picking it up, okay?
Thank you. Stop now.
I gotta help you.
I can do it. I can do it now.
Pull it, pull it. You are doing it. That's kind of hard for a 4-year-old though. Look at him picking that motor up by himself. Kruz, I'm gonna help you right quick. Hold on just one second.
Tell me what.
No, never mind. Go ahead. I got another bar I think is longer.
What longer? What bar longer?
You pull it. Can you believe that, Brandon? Alright, let Daddy help you, okay? So you can take a break, okay?
I'm not tired.
You're not tired? Oh, okay. You're doing a good job, because I couldn't believe you pulled it down good. I get you a longer bar. We're going to get this motor out and put a new motor in, right?
It's new.
Now, whose truck is this?
Mine.
Oh, it's your truck?
There's a new motor in the paint booth.
A new motor in the paint booth, he said, Mom.
Huh.
That's right, there's a brand new motor in the paint booth. Okay. See, this motor right here is got some problems.
Good now.
All right, watch out. Let me try to pull back.
That there's not good. Not good. Not good. See that motor? See, Rusty, that's what's not working.
Not working because what now?
It's not working because Rusty. That means it's old.
Rusty?
Uh-huh. That means it's old.
That motor is old and wore out. Come here and look, Brenda. Right here. It says Good Wrench 350.
That means you need a wrench.
Needs a wrench.
That means
That's
the
Good Wrench.
free.
That's just a Chevrolet Good Wrench. It's a
Yep.
size 350. So
That
you want
means it needs.
me to put it back in there? Oh, it ain't no good? You gonna put a new motor in it? Okay.
In the paint booth.
It's in the paint booth? Tell Mama where it's at.
It's in the paint booth.
In the paint booth. So next time, we'll be putting it back together.
Next time you'll put it back together.
Say bye.
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Bye-bye. See you next time. Thanks for subscribe.
Drive. Ain't have a wreck. Don't have a wreck. Just drive. Look at there's Charlie. Charlie.